Hi, this is my channel Economics Made Easy. Here in this video, I am going to discuss the basic concepts of national income. Mostly we come across 7 types of national income concepts, which are GDP, GNP, NNP, NI, PIDI and PCI. First of all, I would like to tell you about GDP, Gross Domestic Product. It is an estimate of the total value of all goods and services produced during a period of time, usually a year, but it may be a quarter. For example, in Pakistan, it is calculated annually and in USA quarterly. One important thing to note is domestic. So the production belonging to GDP would be production of any goods and services within the geographical boundaries of a country, irrespective of whether the country's own citizens are producing or some foreigners are producing. GDP has some derivations. It may be real GDP or GDP at market price. At market price, it is the total monetary value of all goods and services produced in a country within a period of time. It can be calculated as price times quantity, like it is the sum total of all the commodities multiplied by their respective market prices, that is the prices on which they are sold. And commodity means both goods and services. GDP can be divided into 4 components on the basis of which type of people are going to use these commodities. Consumption comprises of all the goods and services produced which the people are going to buy for their own satisfaction of needs and wants. We can call such goods as consumer goods. Investment is when certain goods called producer goods are used by businesses to make consumption goods for sale to the consumer and hence make money. So the producer goods are also a component of the total goods and services produced. Government expenditure is buying of goods and services by the government. So part of the production is categorized as government expenditure. And net foreign exports means exports minus imports. So GDP is the sum total of consumption, investment, government expenditure and net exports. The second main national income concept is gross national product or GNP. Now the difference between GDP and GNP is of domestic and national. Domestic means within the geographical boundaries and national belonging to the people who are citizens of a country, who may be living within the country or may be living outside the country. GNP equal to GDP plus NFIA. Whereas NFIA refers to the difference between factor income received from the rest of the world and factor income paid to the rest of the world. Factor income is explained in another video. The next basic concept is NNP. It is the net value of all the goods and services produced by citizens of a country, whether they live in the country or live outside the country. You may think that GNP and NNP both account for the goods and services produced by the citizens of a country. So then what is the difference between these two? The difference is this word net mentioned here in the definition of NNP. Whenever this word is used in national income concepts, it means depreciation is subtracted from the gross value. Now NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation, whereas depreciation is the decrease in the monetary value of an asset over time due to use, wear and tear or obsolescence. This decrease is measured as depreciation and the collective depreciation of all business assets is computed and subtracted from GNP to calculate NNP. Further, we can put in the values of this into GNP and derive the formula for NNP. Similarly, NDP is another basic concept which is net domestic product and calculated as NDP equal to GDP minus depreciation. National income is simply the sum total of all incomes of the citizens in simple words. The concept of resources or factors of production is discussed in detail in another video. Per capita income is simply total national income divided by total national population within 1 year. Net national income NNI. It is the sum total of the incomes received by all factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit, minus indirect taxes and minus depreciation. Factors of production may be land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, and they may be earning in different forms. But when we subtract indirect taxes and depreciation, it becomes national income. And it is the difference between the simple national income concept and net national income concept. Symbolically, NNI equal to NNP plus subsidies minus indirect taxes. Indirect taxes may be sales tax, it may be tariffs. I shall discuss these indirect taxes, direct taxes and subsidies in some other video. In contrast to GDP, GNP, NDP, NI, PCI, etc., personal income is a micro level concept. It does not belong to the whole economy or aggregates but to a single person. A single person may be earning in different ways. A single person may earn from rent from some place. The earning may be in the form of salaries or wages. The earning may be in the form of profits or commissions, or even illegal money is also a part of personal income. Whether these are pensions, whether pocket money, whether some earning, or whether earning in the form of in illegal way, they all comprise of personal income. Disposable income is another micro level concept derived after calculating a person's income from various sources. When direct taxes are subtracted from personal income, we come to disposable income. Like, disposable income means that income which a person can use at his or her own disposal or his or her own wish. So it is that money which they can use at their own choice. Thank you. I shall keep on providing you with videos on the basics of economics.